Bonjour mes amis. Today we are going to learn how we can be super helpers in the kitchen and how can we be science experts while having fun playing with the water. So what I did is when I came down, I added some warm water. I plugged in and I added warm water and some soap. And over here, I just plugged in again and added some cold water. So you can fill in the sink halfway through, it's good enough. You must have remembered, friends, that in the class, we do sensory experiences. We do water play, we do science experiments, we do a lot of fun stuff. So what we're going to do is, while being helpers, we're going to recreate that fun in here, okay? So what I did, I soaked some dishes in here, let it soak in there for a few minutes. And after they were done, I was just making sure that they're thoroughly cleaned. And I took my sponge and make sure that I scrub them really well. Now, while you're washing dishes in here, you can make sure that you have some fun playing with the bubbles. Why not? It's fun. So once you're done over here, you add them in the other sink where I have the cold water. So watch over here what's going to happen. You watch here, I'm putting the bowls in here, and watch what's happening to the bowls. I have this spatula, I'm going to put it in there. This is rinse. I'm going to clean this and put it here to rinse. I have this small lid, that's going to go in there too. I really want to have your science expert eyes on and see what's happening to the dishes and utensils I'm adding in there. I'm going to add another spoon. Okay. Oh. I'm going to add the funnel and see what's going to happen here. While you're looking through your science expert eyes, think about it, what's happening. That pastry brush, okay. Now I have this another bowl that's been cleaned. I have another soup spoon. I'm going to add this in here. What happened to that spoon? Over here, I'm adding another spoon. Oh, what's happening to that? And I've got two more objects, two more utensils, and I'm going to add them in here. All right, and I'm going to have some fun playing in the cold water. You can enjoy playing here as long as you want, but also observe what's happening to our dishes and to our utensils. Do you see? What happened to the bowl? It's floating right on top of the water surface. And what happened to the spoon here? It just went all the way down. Do you remember what we call these things? This means this bowl is floating. So I'm going to put it here. This bowl is also floating. Once it's rinsed, I'm going to put it here because it's washed. Well, let's get into the other one. This was floating and I'm going to add in here. Come closely and see here. What happened to the fork and the spoons? They went down. You're right, they sank. So I'm going to just rinse them and bring them out. And I'm going to place them here nicely to dry. This spoon and this spoon, they sank too. And this one here, one sank too. And this one as well. I wonder why some objects sink and why some of the objects float. Can you guess? You're right. The objects or the dishes or utensils that were floating, they were lighter in weight. And the objects that sink, they were heavier in weight. There we go. I'm just going to have all the rest of the objects here and bring them out. Now I need you to tell me. Your job is to tell me that how many of those dishes and utensils they were floating and how many of them sank. So write down your responses on a piece of paper, take a picture of it and send it to us. We will surely be posting it on our class web gallery. Thank you.